Okay, back on the motor. Okay, I gotta strip this down, pull the crank out, get this rod set out of here so I can use it, and that crank, and put it back together again, and see what we get. Pick a new combination of parts to build. Oh boy. See how quick we can do this. We are running out of time. Got a half hour left before I gotta go. Are we gonna make it? Probably not. Customer's gonna be coming back wanting me to work on his junk. But we'll see. Actually, I don't even need to pull these out, but yeah, screw it. It's tight. Technically, I don't have to pull any of this crap out of here. Nope, that can stay. That do not need to come out. That's just extra work. Tight. Okay. Good put. Let's use a zip gun when I put this together. Yeah, that one's looser. Still don't want to come off. That was tight. Hey, that's loose now. It's missing. They're all out. Alright, we're almost done. That was quick, wasn't it? It's 5 minutes. I gotta press it out now. We'll be back. Ah. Well, we're good. I'm good. Bye. All right, one case apart. One crankshaft. That is needed. Okay, we need the bearing spacer here. Don't lose that, we need that. That we keep. There's the bearing that goes with it. Okay, so I need this rod set off of this tank. That's about it. That's in there pretty good. Alright. Bigger hammer. Yeah, still don't want to come apart. What's up with that? Oh, that's right. This ain't no damn... the hex crank. See, I'm in a hurry. I forget what the hell's going on. Just a hex crank, it pressed together. Alright, how are we going to get this thing apart? That's going to be fun. Let's see here. Damn it. This ain't going to happen in 5 minutes. I got to figure out how I'm going to press this out because this press is on. It's a hex-shaped pin. It presses on where the press fits. It's not a taper. So, and interrupted. Let me figure out what I got to do. Alright, back. Alright, I don't have time to deal with that crank, so I got another set of rods here. I'll use these. I got to pick up more rods anyway, so these are 875 wrist pin, not 927, so they're not ball size, but they're 8-inch long like I need, and they're small crank pin, which I need. So hopefully these will fit and we make them work. Okay, so I'm going to have to see what size these are. See if I can even use them without honing it anywhere. So I'm going to go over here, I'll gauge. See what size it is on here. They're undersized right now. Yeah, pretty far under. With these parts it might fit, but it'll be tight. Not runnable, but good enough to mock up. Maybe. If not, I gotta hold them a little bit. So I'm got some used bearings and stuff here to use, so we'll see how it works. Alright. So start putting this thing together. Shaft out. 10 minutes. I don't know, it's pushing it. Might be late. Okay, there's a U-shaft in here. There's a bunch of U parts in here, but I'm not sure what's in here. One way to find out, just dump it out. A bunch of roller bearings in here, because we need those. Oh, there goes one of them. It just disappeared. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Couldn't go far. Jeez, how could I disappear? Yeah, what the hell happened to it? How the hell could that disappear? It dropped right here. There we go. We don't need it anyway. Extra part, we don't need it. Okay, this should be the correct shaft, maybe, I hope. Yep, it is the correct shaft. It's nice and dirty too, wonderful. Dirty rag, yeah. Wipe it down. Okay. Damn it. See that key up here to use. Looks like one will work. That'll work. Doesn't fit in here though. Shafts don't match each other. Nope, that's not the right shaft. Does not match up. That's an early shaft, that's why it doesn't match up. Okay, we need a pinion shaft. Now, we're going to find one right now. Quick and simple. Be on the shelf. That's where you find it. Brand new shit. Just what I like using for mock-ups. Go find something new and use it. 81 to 86 big twin. That would work. What else do we got in here? I use Excel. Perfect. I like Excel stuff. For me, I like the best. That's all intermixed here. Pinion 58. That ain't gonna help me. 80. So that's a new sprocket shaft. Why don't I fix that? Yeah. Too much work. Sprocket shafts. 87. I'm not using 87 anything on my bike. There's a late pinion shaft. Bingo. Cheap piece of crap. Mock-up material. New shaft, but cheap. Oh. Used. Used now. Throw it away. No number on it either. Perfect. It's my favorite one. There's the correct one. Small key. And gooey. Pre-lubed. Perfect. Next problem is I need a nut for it. Where the hell do we get a nut at? That I do not know. But yeah, that's going to be interesting. That's a whole nother problem. Finding a nut. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. There's Scooby down there. So we had to take off. Now I'm back. I was having nothing but trouble trying to get this stuff to work. I couldn't find the nut, couldn't find the shaft. And I found a nut, and then I couldn't get the crank pin nut to work. The nuts wouldn't fit the crank pin for some reason, so it turns out the two crank pins I had were early ones, and I need a late one. The difference is, obviously to see quickly, is when you put the key right here on the top, if the oil hole's down here, it's early. If it's 90 degrees, it's late. So I thought one of these was a late pin instead of a 2-hole. This one's a 2-hole pin. It's an early pin. The problem is the threads are different between these and the correct nut over here, the correct shaft here. So I just looked digging through another box of junk, and I found some more parts. So there's a like new crank pin, only slightly used. So we're going to use that one. And then we found a pinion shaft, so I put the new one back. So this obviously was out of blown up motor pieces and parts I had left over. And that motor is from 98. 98 or 90, early 99. I think it was 98. This is 2000. I kept junk parts for a long time. So, there, see, I needed them. Good thing I kept them. So, I'm going to put this together. I'm going to put the key in here so I can actually cam time this one. Put this one, the key don't want to go in this brand new shaft. So I'll make it go. Fits like a glove. I had to get a brand new S&S crank or main shaft nut. The only one in the building I could find, and that took 20 minutes to a half hour. So that one's in. This one's tight. Found some cages laying around on my bench. We'll use those. There we go. We're going to use whatever size bearings these are. Maybe we should measure them and see what size they are. They're worn out. Perfect size. I have all of them too. And with that bad rod bearing surface, I'm going to need all of them. Couldn't find a decent used crank pin anywhere, so they're all early. So we're going to make do. Looks like I got the main bearing sitting here too, so I'll go find me some cages for those. Might as well put some real cages in this motor. So if we're going to mock it up, we're going to mock it up with all the good parts in here. Well, these so-called good parts. There's actually enough bearings here I could have mocked up 2 cranks. Oh well. Alright, we'll be back in a few minutes. I gotta stuff a bunch of rollers. Alright, we're back again. Alright, I got the rods going. They went on pretty tight, but I finally got them going the second time. So yeah, it's gotta be just right to go down. So they're on. Put the crank pin nut on it. Tighten her down. And let's see, that nut does not want to work. So we're back having nuts that don't fit again. That's where I left off last time. Oh, this is old. Yeah, I grabbed the only nut that fits, probably. Yep. Must Must be the only one that fits. Is that one nut. It looks the same. Okay, it's not the nut, must be the shaft. Okay, we know it's the shaft and not the nut. That means we're going to make it go on. Guess what? It went on. Okay. Get that in play. Perfect. It moved on me. Okay, so that's ready for trying. These nuts we'll keep for later. Yeah, fun. Nothing was working earlier. Doing the same thing again almost. Okay, I'm gonna go shoot the crank and we'll be back.